Man creates 3D printed mouse with display. Keyboard fitted into it. A man has created a 3D printed mouse which has a color display and a slide-out keyboard fitted into it and works like a computer. It uses Raspberry Pi Zero-W development board with a single-core 1 GHz CPU with 512 MB RAM. The tiny computer also has features such as Bluetooth and Wireless LAN. Bill Gates praises Ayushman Bharat scheme. Congratulates PM Modi, Microsoft co-founder and the world's second richest person. Bill Gates on Thursday Prades's National Health Protection Scheme or Ayushman Bharat scheme on completing 100 days of its launch. It's great to see how many people have been reached by the program so far, PMO India, Gates tweeted. The free healthcare scheme recorded 685,000 beneficiaries in the first 100 days. Qualcomm refused to provide chips for 2018 iPhones. Apple COO Jeff Williams has said Qualcomm refused to provide modem chips for the 2018 iPhones after Apple sued the chipmaker in 2017. Williams added that Qualcomm's royalty fee of $7.50 per iPhone is too high. The U.S. sued Qualcomm alleging the company used its dominant position to force customers to use its products and charge high patent licensing fees. Snap CFO Tim Stone resigns in 8 months. Shares drop 8%. Tim Stone, Snap's chief financial officer, has resigned from the Snapchat parent within 8 months of joining. Snap's stock went down about 8% in after-hours trading on Tuesday. Tim has made a big impact in his short time and we're very grateful for his hard work. Tim's transition is not related to any disagreement with us, CEO Evan Spiegel wrote.